forget everything you thought you knew about AI video. Short, glitchy clips, that era is over. With Google's Veo 3, you can now generate 8-second cinematic shots, complete with audio, at a level of realism we've never seen before. And the best part? Those clips upscale cleanly to full HD 1080p. For creators like us, this means faster workflows, richer storytelling, and professional-grade results in a fraction of the time. In this video, I'll break down the tips, tricks, and prompts you need to master Veo 3 right now. But let's be honest, you've seen them. The AI videos that just feel off. The characters look plastic, their movements are weird. It's that classic Uncanny Valley problem. Most people think the AI is just not good enough yet. But that's not the real issue. The problem isn't the tool, it's the instructions we're giving it. A generic prompt will always give you a generic, often creepy, result. To get cinematic output, you need to speak the AI's language with precision and nuance. We're talking camera controls, lighting styles, and emotional textures. Getting this right is a complete game changer. So, let's dive straight into the first and most crucial technique. So, you've generated a video. It looks okay, but it's missing that spark, that professional cinematic quality. Why? Because most people stop at describing the what, not the how. The new frontier in AI video isn't just generation, it's control. This is what separates a basic clip from true AI cinematography. Look at this side by side. The left uses a simple prompt. The right, we're directing the AI. We're telling it we want a specific camera move, like a cinematic Dolly shot. We're defining the mood with golden hour lighting. We're even choosing our virtual 35mm lens to get that perfect depth of field. This is called sensory prompting, and it's the single biggest key to unlocking professional results. And once you master the framework, it's surprisingly simple. So let's break down exactly how to build these prompts yourself, step by step. Okay, let's get practical. The key to cinematic AI video isn't just the prompt, it's control. You're not just writing, you're directing the camera. Let's start with a classic camera move. By adding just 4 words, Dolly shot moving slowly forward, we get this. Instant, smooth, cinematic motion that pulls the viewer in. Want something more dramatic? Let's try a high crane shot revealing a hidden valley. The AI understands the language of cinema, giving us this epic reveal. And for action, we'll prompt dynamic FPV drone footage chasing a car. The results are just insane. You're in complete control. So, how do you consistently get results like this? It comes down to 3 keys: mastering controllability for your camera, injecting sensory prompts for atmosphere, and using the up-res workflow for quality. Let's dive into the first one right now, controllability. This is about dictating camera movement. Instead of just a running athlete, you prompt an orbiting dolly zoom of a running athlete. That single change gives you a dynamic cinematic shot. But it gets better. Don't just ask for a car on a road, specify a low-angle tracking shot of a car on a road to create drama. The same goes for subtle moments. A woman at a desk becomes a slow push-in on a woman at a desk to build suspense. See the difference? You're not just a prompter, you're the director. Now, to make this easy, I've compiled all my best camera commands into a cheat sheet. But we'll get to that. First, let's jump into key number 2. Okay, so you've generated a video, but it looks, well, a bit generic, flat, boring. This is a super common problem. The secret to breaking through this is to stop describing just the action and start describing the feeling. This is a pro technique I call sensory prompting. Instead of just what's happening, we're going to tell the AI 3 extra things: the light, the lens, and the mood. Watch this. Instead of a man walking in a city, we'll try cinematic shot of a man walking through a rain-slicked city street at night, Rembrandt lighting, anamorphic lens, and a sense of quiet melancholy. See the difference? We didn't just get a video, we got a story, we got emotion. This is how you direct the AI. Now that you see how this works for a character, let's apply the exact same principle to a vast landscape. So your AI clips look okay, but not cinematic. It's a common problem. People think the secret is one perfect prompt, but that's not it. The real secret is a 2-step workflow I call Generative Up-Res. Let me just show you. You start by generating a fast, low-res draft like this one. The action is right, but the quality is soft. Now for the magic. We take that clip and feed it into a dedicated AI upscaler. Watch. We crank it to 1080p, enhance the details, and turn this into this. That's the system. Draft for speed, then upscale for quality. It's how you get that polished, high-definition final product every time. Of course, this all relies on a great starting clip, which comes from a great prompt. To make sure you nail that first step, I've put my best ones into the ultimate Veo 3 cinematic prompt cheat sheet. It's a completely free download, and the link is waiting for you in the description. Ever get that almost perfect shot with one distracting detail? While future in-painting tools will let you erase mistakes directly, you can fix this right now in Veo 3. The pro tip is using a negative prompt. Simply tell the AI, "No pink buildings," and you guide it away from errors before it even renders. The same logic works for audio. Soon, true audio to video will create perfectly synced visuals from a song. But today, you get incredible results by describing the audio's vibe, its rhythm and mood directly in your prompt, turning musical energy into visual storytelling. To help you master this, I've created the ultimate Veo 3 prompt cheat sheet, free to download in the description.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below.